All right, so today we're looking at section 7.3, which in your textbook is on page 244. And we're looking at the preterite of ser and ir. So ser and ir have the same forms, which is a little strange, but this is where context is going to really determine which verb is being used. So it will never get confused. All right, so let's just look at the forms really quickly, and you can repeat after me, okay? So we'll do the ser. Well, they're the same, so just keep note of that. We don't need to do both of them. They're the same forms, okay? So for ser and ir. Okay, repita clase. Yo fui. Tú fuiste. Usted, él, ella fue. Nosotros, nosotras fuimos. Ustedes, ellos, ellas fueron. Otra vez. Fui. Fuiste. Fue. Fuimos. Fueron. Muy bien. So this part just points out exactly what I just said. Since they both have the same forms, the context clarifies. All right, so here are a few examples. Él fue a comprar champú y jabón. Right, so it's clearly the use of ir here because he went. ¿Y cómo fue la película anoche? How was the movie last night? Right, this is was from the verb ser. And we have a few examples from the short little film you guys are watching. ¿Cuándo fue la última vez que viste a Juan Carlos? So what do you think is used here? Is this saying when went the last time or when was the last time? Of course, it's was. So this is the use of ser. Y cuando fuimos a Mérida, right? Cuando fuimos a Mérida. Right, so here it's saying when we went to Mérida. Okay, so a little hint here. Just like in the present tense, the verb ir is often followed by an a, whereas when the form is ir in the past, right, you're going to see an a with it. Like here, right, fue a comprar, fuimos a Mérida, okay, whereas if it's the ser form, you'll notice there's no a. Cuando fue la última vez, right, como fue la película, no a, all right, so that's one of your little hints to help you. Okay, so this is actually quite easy. You just got to memorize these forms and then start plugging it in. Let's do an activity from your textbook. Okay, this is also an activity you'll do on the super site, but we can do it together. So just like last time, I'll read the question, and then you should pause it on your end and think about it and think of the answer, and then play it again when you're ready, because I'm not going to give too much time because we don't want this video to be super long, okay? So let's read the instructions. Completa estas conversaciones con la forma correcta del verbo, del prédito de ser o ir. Indica el infinitivo de cada forma verbal, right? So we have to find the correct form here, and then we have to just say, is it a use of ser or ir, since they have the same forms, all right? So here we go. Raúl, ¿a dónde blank ustedes de vacaciones? ¿A dónde blank ustedes de vacaciones? All right, go ahead and pause it. And we're back. So the form here, right? So it's ustedes. So ¿a dónde fueron ustedes de vacaciones? So would this be ser o ir? De vacaciones, do you were of vacations or went on vacation? So it would be ir, went. Okay. Número dos. Blank a Perú. Pause it. And we're back. So here, this is a little tricky. It would be fuimos a Perú. Why would it be fuimos? Because the question is a ustedes, right? So it's saying you all, plural. So now you're answering we, what we did, right? So fuimos a Perú. And the verb would be again, ir, all right? Tres, como blank el viaje. Como blank el viaje. Pause it. And we're back. ¿Cómo fue el viaje? ¿Cómo fue el viaje? And this would be ser. How was the trip, right? Cuatro. Blank estupendo. Blank estupendo. Machu Picchu y el Callao son increíbles. Pause it. And we're back. Fue estupendo. Fue estupendo. This again would be the verb ser. Ok, número 5. Blank caro el viaje. Blank caro el viaje. Pause it. And we're back. Fue caro el viaje. Caro means expensive, right? So was it expensive? This would also be a use of ser. Pilar. No, el precio blank muy bajo. Solo costó $3,000. No, el precio blank muy bajo. Solo costó $3,000. Pause it. And we're back. No, el precio fue muy bajo. Alright, and this again would be was, so ser. Alright, the second one, conversación 2. Tina y Vicente blank novios. No. So we're in the past stop. We're in the past, right? So we're still using the preterite. Tina y Vicente fueron novios. No. So this is what novios means boyfriend and girlfriend. So it would be what went or was. It'd be was or were in this case, right? So this would be ser. Fueron novios. Ser. Sí, pero ahora no. Anoche Tina blank a comer con Gregorio y la semana pasada ellos blank al partido de fútbol. Pause it. And we're back. Anoche Tina fue a comer con Gregorio. That would be ir, right? Went. Y la semana pasada ellos fueron, because it's ellos, al partido de fútbol. Also ir. Muy bien. Okay, last one. Así Javier y yo blank al partido y no los vimos. Javier y yo blank al partido y no los vimos. Pause it. And we're back. Javier y yo fuimos al partido y no lo vimos. So here is also indicating we see the al, right? So we know it's ir. Okay, muy bien, clase. We'll do one more activity together. And then where is this activity? Here it is. And then we'll call it a day for this one, right? Alright, so this is more of the use of the same forms. Here we don't have to indicate if it's ser or ir, but I'm going to indicate that for you, right? So same thing, I'll move through this and you pause it before each one, and then come back when you're ready for the answer. Okay, here we go. Mi viaje a Machu Picchu blank fantástico. Pause it. And we're back. Mi viaje a Machu Picchu fue fantástico. This would be the use of ser, was, right? Blank con mis papás y mi hermano Juan Pablo. Pause it. And we're back. Fui con mis papás y mi hermano Juan Pablo, right? I went. This would be ir. Antes de llegar a la ciudad perdida, blank a Cusco. Blank a Cusco. Pause it. And we're back. Fui a Cusco. Actually, I think here would be fuimos, right? Because at this point we're talking about yo and mi papás y mi hermano. So yeah, I think fuimos would be better. Fuimos a Cusco, right? And this would be ir, because we went to Cusco. All right, here we go. Todos los días, blank muy bonitos. Siempre salió el sol. Pause it. And we're back. Todos los días fueron muy bonitos. Fueron muy bonitos. Siempre salió el sol. This would be were, right? The days were very pretty. Okay? Qué interesante. Esa ciudad blank la capital del Imperio Inca. Pause it. And we're back. Esa ciudad fue la capital del Imperio Inca. Fue, was, right? Cuando llegamos a Machu Picchu, blank a ver el paisaje. Pause it. And we're back. Cuando llegamos a Machu Picchu, fuimos a ver el paisaje. It would be fuimos because it's llegamos here, right? So llegamos meaning nosotros, so it would say the same. And then we have a ver el paisaje, so fuimos from the verb ir. Después, después blank al Templo del Sol. Pause it. And we're back. Fuimos al Templo del Sol. We have that al again, so we know there's movement. So we went, therefore ir. Esa noche comimos y dormimos en el hotel cerca de la ciudad perdida. La comida blank excelente. Pause it. And we're back. La comida fue excelente. This would be, of course, ser was excellent, right? Al día siguiente, nos levantamos temprano, mi hermano y yo blank a caminar a la montaña. Pause it. And we're back. Mi hermanito y yo fuimos a caminar a la montaña. Here you have a caminar, so we know that it's movement. Fuimos, ir, right? A la montaña. Y mis papás blank a comprar regalos para mis tíos y mis primos. Pause it. And we're back. Mis papás fueron a comprar regalos, right? Again, we have this a comprar, so we know that it's ir. Por la tarde yo blank a hablar con el guía porque mis papás decidieron quedarse un día más. Pause it. And we're back. Yo fui a hablar con el guía, right? A hablar, so we have movement again, so that's going to be ir. Por último, regresamos a Cuzco. Este viaje blank muy importante para mí porque viví momentos muy especiales con mi familia. Pause it. And we're back. Este viaje fue muy importante para mí. Was very important. So the verb ser. Okay, clase, that's all we'll do for today. This is a pretty easy thing, so just remember the forms are the same. And again, that's on page 244, right? 244. And you have a few activities on the super site, and it should be pretty easy. Okay, hasta pronto.